The purpose of this course is to build an application for creating surveys. The content will cover building a .NET Core API hosted on Azure and accessed by a responsive React application that renders well on a desktop or a smartphone. First, we'll look at the application from a user's perspective and set up the development environment. In Section 2, we'll build a skeleton web API using ASP.NET Core, and in Section 3, a skeleton React application that connects to the servers. Section 4 completes the .NET Web API project. This includes Entity Framework Core, authentication with ASP.NET Core Identity, and the various use cases such as creating a survey and getting the results of a survey. Section 5, React Use Cases, includes registering as a new user, creating a survey, and sending an invitation to a participant. In Section 6, we'll configure Azure resources to host the application, including a database, a web app, and a key vault. Finally, we'll create a production build of the application and use Git deployment to upload it to Azure. So, stepping through how the application works from a user's perspective, I can first of all register as a new user. Password needs to have a capital and a non-character symbol and a number. So, clicking New Survey, I'll make a survey for tasting wine, systematic approach to tasting wine. And I'll just have two questions here, so heading and detail. So we've got appearance, intensity, and then options here are pale, medium, and deep. Second question, palate. So that's the sweetness, and the options here are dry, medium, sweet. So, inviting a participant to the survey, I can type in the name and email address of the prospective participant, and clicking the invite button, that opens up the email client, so I can then send a link to the client. The participant receives a link in the email. Clicking on this opens the survey, so the participant can select the options and hit the submit button. So, returning to how the creator of the survey can view the results, I can click on results, and you can see the overall results and then results for individual participants.